Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to talk about a highly controversial topic with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or the Z5, the Z Fold line in general, and that is whether or not removing the factory screen protector on your Z Fold will void your warranty. Now, I usually take mine off and put something like this on, which is the Whitestone Dome Premium Gen Film, and the reason I do that is because I think it feels better than the stock screen protector. I think it feels more like glass than kind of the rubbery plastic feel that the stock one has. So I always use those on my Z Fold 5, and I have for years. I put one on my Z Flip 3, my Z Fold 4, my Z Fold 3, my Z Fold 5. All of them have gotten the Whitestone Dome screen protectors, and I've never had an issue with my phone at all. Screen, battery, inside the phone, hinge, nothing. So I've never had to use the warranty. If you watch Greggles TV, I'll link his channel down below. He has also done the same and removed his screen protector for years on these devices without actually even putting another one on. He just goes bare screen, no screen protector whatsoever. He has asked Samsung multiple years in a row on multiple device releases whether taking off the screen protector will void the warranty, and each time they have told him no. So if you are in the US, removing your screen protector does not void the warranty. They can't do that. They can't void your warranty just because you took off the screen protector unless they can prove that you actually removing the screen protector voided the, damaged the phone. There's nothing other than scratches, which the warranty doesn't cover to begin with, that this little flimsy piece of plastic is going to prevent. This is right here the stock screen protector that I removed from my Z Fold 5. It's a paper thin piece of plastic. That's not going to save your hinge. That's not going to prevent the OLED screen from going out and having blotches random places. That's not going to prevent your crease from cracking under the screen. The screen protector prevents none of that. The only thing that this screen protector does is prevent this screen from getting scratched up and damaged from day-to-day use. It does not affect the screen when you fold it, nothing like that. If you put on a screen protector that is too thick, you can crack the display when you fold it. Or if you leave this stock screen protector on and you put another screen protector on top of it, that can become too thick and crack the display. I've seen some people recommending that, which is a terrible idea. Don't do that. If you see a YouTube channel say that you should put the screen protector over top of the factory one so you're not taking the factory one off, bad advice. Don't watch that YouTube channel because that is a no-no. Even the screen protector manufacturers say don't do that. So definitely don't do that. Make sure you take the stock one off if you're going to replace it. Don't just take your screen protector off, just take your screen protector off. I do it because, like I said, I like these better, and I do it because I review these. So there's a couple purposes to that besides just taking it off for the fun of it. So don't just take it off for the fun of it and, say I'm just going to buy another one. But you can get these as an option if you want to replace it yourself if yours becomes worn or damaged. So there is that. But other than that, make sure you leave yours on. It's not going to void your warranty if you want to change it, though. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.